Hello, this is Sam from the Salina Public Library, and today I'll be showing you how to download and set up the Minecraft Java version so you can connect to the Salina Public Library's Minecraft server. So first thing we're going to do is open up a browser. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome, and we're going to go up to the address bar, and we're just going to click in the address bar. You'll see it highlights all the text when you click it once. We're going to hit backspace on the keyboard so it clears it out. And in the address bar there, we're going to type minecraft.net, and then we're going to press /, which is on the same key as a question mark. And then we're going to type download. So minecraft.net /, which is on the same key as a question mark, download. And we're going to press enter on the keyboard, and it'll bring you to the Minecraft download page. Now, if you don't own a Minecraft Java version account, which is different than owning Minecraft on the console or the Windows version of Java of Minecraft, then this won't work for you. You'll have to pay for the Java version of Minecraft. You're welcome to try it to see if your account works, but in most cases, if you only have played on console or if you played the Minecraft for Windows version, it won't work. It has to be a Java account. So we're going to click on download here, and you'll see in the corner here it downloads. It's very quick because it's just it's just downloading the launcher installer. It's not downloading Minecraft itself. So we're going to click on the installer here, and it brings up our installer. Just hit next. Now I've already installed Minecraft, so it's not going to give me the options, but you go through this like a typical installer. You don't have to change any options. Defaults are fine on everything. So you go through the installer, and then once that's done, we're going to go ahead and open up the launcher. So we're going to go ahead and click on the green and brown grass block icon. Sometimes it's on the desktop. I've got it on the taskbar here. And this will open up your launcher. Now in here, typically when you first sign in, I'll go ahead and log out here so you see, you'll get this and you'll have to log in. Now, right now, most accounts are what they call Mojang accounts, which is the original maker of Minecraft. Some of them are Microsoft logins. You can try your Microsoft login to see if it works, but most of them it's going to be a Mojang login. And you type in your email and password. I'm going to go ahead and cut away here. All right, and once you have it entered in, you can check the box here to keep you logged in so you don't have to type that in every time. Then you're going to go ahead and hit login, and this will bring you to this screen. Now on this screen, you will be able to choose the version of Minecraft you're playing and manage different things with your Minecraft launcher. So by default, it typically defaults to the latest release, which is what our Minecraft server is running right now at the time of this recording, 1.16.4. That we're going to try to keep it up with the latest release, but how quickly we're able to update it completely depends on how quickly the mods we're using are updated. So if for some reason we aren't able to keep it with latest release, how you would keep your install on the correct version so you keep playing on our server is you go up to installations here, then you click on new, and then you don't have to name it, but let's name it library so we know what it is. And then we want to choose the version, and this is assuming that 1.16.4 is not the version that is the latest release anymore. So we want to go and click on release 1.16.4, and then we're going to click create, and that'll create a new instance that will always be this version. So latest release will change the next update, but this one will always be at 1.16.4. So it might be handy to make this anyway, just for future proofing. Now from here, I can either click play here, or I can go back to the play section, click the drop down, and click the version I want to play. I'm going to go ahead and click play, and it's going to download and install the version of Minecraft I selected. It already was downloaded on mine, so it went really quick. All right, and it's loading up the game here. Now from here, you get the main menu. We're going to click on multiplayer. And it's going to give us the warning about online play, that they basically aren't responsible for things that happen online. On our server, we are using staff to moderate it during the event. That's why we only run it during the event. We do have swear filters and other tools in place so that we can effectively moderate the server. So you can go ahead and click proceed there. And you won't see this right away. I'm going to go ahead and delete it just so we can start from a clean slate. So you'll typically get this with nothing in it. And we'll have to add our server. And so how you add our server is click add server down here. And it'll just be called Minecraft server by default. And you can leave it that, but we're going to give it a bit more descriptive name so you know what it is. We're going to type in library server. And then for server address, our server address is minecraft.salinapublic.org. That's minecraft.salinapublic.org. You're going to click done, and you'll see it loads our icon here, and then it loads this is Salina Public Library, and it loads our message of the day. I'll always try to keep this message of the day updated with the version of Minecraft we're using on the server, so that if it updates, you'll know from that. But I'll also have it in the event and other places so that you'll know if we change the version of Minecraft we're using. So now you can go ahead and try joining the server, but since the server is since it's not currently the event period, you'll get an error saying it failed to connect to the server. You are not whitelisted on the server. This is a good thing. This means it was able to talk to the server, and it said, hey, the event's not running, the whitelist is running, so you can't connect. During the event, we turn off the whitelist so you're able to join the server. And then after the event's over, we turn the whitelist back on. So you'll always see the server and it'll always say it's online, but it's actually only online during the event, or it's only open for use during the event. So I hope this helped out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or talk to us online through the website. All right, thank you. Bye.